am Muskan from Asha Kancha Foundation. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about Cybercrime Portal application. So here, I will tell you about how to use this application. First of all, I want to give a little introduction about this application. So basically, Cybercrime Portal application launched by our Indian government, where people can log their complaints and check the status online. This portal caters to complaints pertaining to online child pornography, child sexual abuse material such as rape, gang rape content, and other cybercrime such as mobile crimes, online social media crimes, online financial frauds, hacking, cryptocurrency crime, and other. So, if you are a victim of any online crime or scam or women or child related crime, so this facility is going to help. So firstly, you need to write this link on Google, www.cybercrime.gov.in. After click this link, Cybercrime application will open directly. Then click on File a Complaint. Then click on I accept. So here in this menu section, you need to focus on first and second menu. First is report cybercrime related to women or child. Then another one is report other cybercrime. So as the name suggests, if you want to report cybercrime activities related to women or child, so use the first option, or else use the generic option report other cybercrime. But here to explain to you, I am using this another one option. So let's click on other cybercrime. So in order to log in, you need to specify your state or create a username. Then enter your username. After enter the username, then enter mobile number. Then click on get OTP. Once OTP received, then enter the OTP. Then after, here solve a simple CAPTCHA for verification. So here I am solving a simple CAPTCHA for verification. After solving the simple CAPTCHA for verification, then hit the submit button. So once successfully logged in, you will see a complaint registration form. So in this form, the form is divided into 4 parts: incident details, suspect details, complaint details, and preview and submit. So at the incident page, details page, first you will have to enter details such as category of complaint. So you will have to complaint category, which type of complaint you want to file. Then go to the subcategory of the complaint. Then go to the after filling subcategory of the complaint, then enter the approximate date and time of incident. Here I am enter the today's date and time. Then go to the reason for delay in reporting and also where did the incident occur. So if you delayed for file a complaint, then write the reason, or if not, so you can write no delay. Here you might also need to enter social media account details, website URL, and update supporting evidence of the crime. So here I am enter my TikTok ID or adding a PDF file. So after filled all the details, then click on save and next submit. After click on save and next submit, then go to the suspect details. So in that page you will have to fill all the prospect details. After fill all the suspect details, then go to the complaint details, then go to the preview and submit. So here in that page also you will have to fill all the information. After fill all the information, you can verify each and every details you have entered and ensure that they are correct as per your knowledge, and then hit the confirm submit button to successfully file the complaint. So once your complaint is submitted, you will see a complaint ID which can be used to check the status of your complaint. So let's now find out how to check the status of cybercrime complaint online. So click on check status. And then enter the complaint ID or search from request date. Then now you will be able to track the status of your complaint online. At last, I would like to say that if you are a victim of any online fraud, scam, or women or child crime, so please use this cybercrime portal application. This application will help you to save. Thank you.